In this question, we're required to solve quadratic inequalities. So there are many parts over here, but we'll look at example together using A. Okay, when you have to solve quadratic inequalities, remember that it's important to sketch the graph. We have to use the graph to help us visualize. Okay, so how do we sketch this graph over here? Okay, from this expression, we know that the coefficient of x squared is positive because how we get x squared is going to be 2x multiplied to x, which is 2x squared, and hence x squared term is positive. So its graph open upwards and it looks like this. We have learned to find various features of this graph over here, such as the coordinates of the turning point, the line of symmetry, the y-intercept, and the x-intercepts. Okay, but which feature is important over here? To solve quadratic inequality, we only need to find the x-intercepts. Only the x-intercepts are important. So how do we find the x-intercepts? We substitute y equals to 0 into the equation over here, and we get 2x plus 3, x minus 4 equals to 0, and so on. So x is equal to negative 3 over 2, or x equals to 4. So now we can fill in this information to the graph over here, where the two x-intercepts are negative 3 over 2 and 4. So now let's pause and make some observations from the sketch itself. Okay, using the sketch, we can identify the parts of the graph which are positive or negative. We can do so by seeing whether the graph lies above or below the x-axis. So in this case, this part over here is positive because it lies above the x-axis. This part over here is negative because it lies below the x-axis. And finally, this part over here is again positive. Okay, now we have done so, we'll go back to our original inequality that we need to solve. So the original inequality is 2x plus 3, x minus 4 is greater than 0. So we want this part over here and this part over here because we want it to be greater than 0. So for this to happen, we require x to be less than negative 3 over 2 or x to be more than 4. And with this, we are done.